Hey everyone, big news just hit the headlines and it's stirring up a lot of emotions across the country. The U.S. Supreme Court has just upheld Tennessee's state law banning certain gender transition treatments for minors. I'm breaking it all down for you, so let's dive in. On June 18, 2025, the Supreme Court made a 6-3 decision. The case? It was all about Tennessee's SB 1 law, which blocks anyone under 18 from accessing treatments for gender dysphoria, things like puberty blockers and hormone therapy. This law has been at the center of a national debate, with people on both sides passionately arguing their perspectives. Supporters of the law say it's about protecting kids from making irreversible, life-changing medical choices. Tennessee's Governor Bill Lee called it a historic win, saying he's proud to safeguard young people from decisions that could impact them for the rest of their lives. The state's Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti echoed that, claiming this ruling keeps judicial activism in check and lets the common sense of Tennessee voters prevail. The Republican Attorneys General Association also weighed in, calling the decision a step toward restoring sanity for millions of families. They argue that treatments like hormone therapy for minors are risky and potentially irreversible. The Tennessee legislature pointed out in their findings that these treatments can lead to lifelong consequences, like sterility and increased health risks. But this isn't the whole story. Critics of the decision, including Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer, didn't hold back. He called the Supreme Court's move awful, saying the justices have forgotten their job is to protect individual rights and guard against discrimination. Schumer accused Republicans of launching what he described as a cruel crusade against trans kids, and he promised to keep searching for solutions. The three liberal justices on the court dissented, with Justice Sonia Sotomayor writing that the majority is abandoning transgender children and their families to political whims. According to her and other critics, this ruling leaves vulnerable kids with fewer options and exposes them to more stigma and uncertainty. So, how did the Supreme Court justify this decision? Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the majority, said the case is full of fierce scientific and policy debates. He argued that the Equal Protection Clause of the Constitution doesn't settle these disagreements because the law applies to all minors, regardless of sex. Basically, the ruling comes down to the idea that the state's age-based rules on medical treatments are, at least for now, constitutional. This story is far from over. States across the country are watching closely, and this decision could shape laws well beyond Tennessee. For families, for kids, for advocates on both sides, there's a lot at stake and no easy answers. I want to know what you think. Does this decision protect kids, or does it go too far? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on stories that are shaping our world. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.